Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade buttermilk biscuits from scratch. This recipe makes up to 12 biscuits and it is absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Here is all what you will need to make your homemade buttermilk biscuits. You will need some self-rising flour, salted butter cold, buttermilk cold, and some salt. To bake your homemade buttermilk biscuits, you will need an 11 by 17 inch baking pan, and you will also need a biscuit cutter. Now this is a homemade biscuit cutter that I have here, and this one measures 2.5 inches in diameter. For your tools, you will need a food processor. Now if you don't have this, you can use a pastry cutter. And there you have it. In a food processor, add 2.5 cups of self-rising flour, 1.5 sticks of salted butter cold, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Blend all your ingredients for 1 minute or until the butter has completely been cut into the flour. And this is how it looks when we're done. As you can see, that butter has been cut into the flour. We've transferred our butter and flour mixture into a large bowl. Add 1 cup of buttermilk, cold. Stir all your ingredients together until the mixture forms a dough. Our mixture is at a dough now. As you can see, when I touch the dough with my hands, it barely sticks to my hands. This is exactly what we're looking for. Butter the bottom of your baking pan. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Lightly flour the surface of your table. Add the biscuit dough on top of the table. Pat the biscuit dough into an oval shape, and this oval shape should be 10 inches at its longest and 8 inches at its widest. Now we're going to take our homemade biscuit cutter and we're going to cut out 12 biscuits. Now these biscuits should also have a thickness of 1 inch. Once done, take your biscuits and place them into your baking pan. Now they're ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 450 degree oven on the middle rack. Bake for 15 minutes. Remove your buttermilk biscuits out of the oven after baking on 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Here I have a pastry brush and 3 tablespoons of melted salted butter. We're going to brush the biscuits with butter. Once done, you can serve these right away. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, homemade buttermilk biscuits made from scratch. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to it. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook at www.facebook.com/charliethecookandrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. I love buttermilk biscuits. Look at that. Man, these biscuits are soft, moist, buttery, very, very good. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. And that's it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.